if you want to use apps in split screen mode on your MacBook Neo, then simply open one of the apps you want to use in split screen. Let's say that app is Finder, and then you want to hover your mouse pointer over this green button in the upper left side of the app, and then choose either the left or right side if you want to split screen vertically. If you want to split screen horizontally, then you choose one of these. So since I want it vertically, I'm going to choose to put this app on the right hand side, and then I can open another app like Maps, for instance, or any other app that I want. Go back to that hover icon and then select the left hand side. And then now you can see those two apps should now be running in split screen mode. Okay, simple as that. Now, if you put your mouse cursor in the middle, you can see there's a divider there that you can use to adjust the screen real estate that each of the app occupies. So if you want more space for this app, or you want more space for the other app, it's really up to you. And that is how to split screen on your MacBook Neo. Now, if you want to, you can split screen up to 4 apps. So you come here and then choose this quadruple split screen. Basically, that's gonna turn it's gonna allow you to put up to 4 apps in split screen mode. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.